Welcome to making a greenhouse 2. First, we're going to start off by using our rectangle tool. We'll come out about right here, pull it over. That looks good. We'll go to the push-pull tool. We'll raise it up past the person a little bit. Use our pencil tool from the top corner over to here. We'll use our push-pull tool and we will push off the top. And now we're going to kind of look at this. Looks a little bit long, so I'll use my push-pull and I'll make it a little bit shorter. Now, we're going to find the center of each one of these and draw a line at the midpoint. Notice the midpoint. We're going to come down, we're going to draw a line all the way around the edges. Each one of the midpoints. And finally, the last one. The reason we're doing this is to put a frame in. So we're going to frame each one of the things that we have here. You know what, I think I'll just go ahead and add an extra one on the top here. Now using our offset tool, we're going to come in just a little ways on each one of them. Look about right, yes it does. And we're going to do this on each one of these frames to simulate a 2x4 being placed in order to support the glass or plastic or whatever is going to be used as transparent for this greenhouse. As you can see, we're just coming in here doing the same thing on each one of these. Now for the front, it's going to be a little bit trickier for the front. Now I'll zoom in so you can see what's going on a little bit better. I'll use a rectangle tool. I'm going to make this larger because this is going to be the outside of my frame. About like that. Now I'll use the offset tool. Come in and make the inside of the frame. I think we're ready to go. Now all we have to do is add a translucent material. So let's go to our paint bucket under glass and mirrors. I think I'll use the glass block because it looks really cool. And then on the sides, perhaps maybe a gray. In this case, this is just my opinion, but you can do it the way you want to. And you can see that as you add, you have your greenhouse ready. The last thing to do is to make this look like wood. So we'll come over, I'll go to my wood. In this case, I'm going to choose plywood because it will show the knots, even though it's going to look more like a 2x4 when I'm finished with it. And all you have to do is finish these. And as we finish it up, you can see that now it looks like it is a greenhouse with a little bit of a slant to it.